Are you going to pretend like nothing happened?
The doctor said I can undergo treatment.
Treatment? How about how you made me feel being married to you?
Are we going to go back to that? I didn't know...
Eddie, you have a low quality sperm. And that's what has been affecting our babies. No matter how I tried, they couldn't leave.
Like I said, I will get treatment.
So what now? You're going to shove all the years of treating me like trash under the carpet?
Why are you making a mountain out of a molehill? I'll get treatment and we'll have our babies and everything will be fine.
You left me in this house all by myself with no penny. You've never for one day treated me as your wife, but a slave.
Why do you keep going back to that?